Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Advantage Payroll account. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Now let's move on. Open up any web browser on your PC. Then type advantagepayroll.com and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will land it on its official website. Now tap on Instant Payroll Login. You will direct it to its login page. Here you can see two options for login. If you have choose client login, type in your client ID, username and password of your account. In case you cannot remember your username, click on forget username and recover your username. If you can't remember your password, click on reset password and from there reset your password. And after entering all the details, click on submit. But if you want to log in with multi-client or CPA login, type in your username and password here. After entering all the details correctly, tap on submit button. And that's how you will be logged in into Advantage Payroll account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.